Right guys, we've got a 2011, early 2012 Seat Cupra Leon R265. Let's check it out. Boom. So as you can see, it's in pristine condition. 5-spoke black alloys with the red calipers. As you can see, it's got the L lights. You've got to love these L lights when you see a Leon. Look, it just stands out at the back. The lights are also tinted. Exhaust and diffuser, rear diffuser is all the same. This car is in standard condition. It also comes with parking sensors as well. So as we step in, we have the Seat sport seats, leather with the white stitching. These are not electric, but they are really comfortable. As we step in, we've got the flat bottom steering wheel with all the buttons. We have the navigation system. On here, it's got radio, media, phone, navigation, tells you traffic and setting up, Bluetooth, everything you need, it's in this car. If you want a cheap, say for example, front wheel drive, Audi powered, or Volkswagen powered as I should say, because Volkswagen own them more, Volkswagen powered engine, I would say this was the one I would recommend. Down here we've got AUX and a USB. Right here in your center dash, we've got the mirror movements, and as well guys, this one has electric mirrors, so when you lock it, the mirrors fold in. We've got parking sensors here, traction control, and if your tires are low on one side, it will try and rebalance the car out. So this is quite a package here. We've got locking and unlocking. So right guys, this car has 72,180 miles on the clock. It is in a beautiful condition, as you can see. So let's have a look at the back. So as you come into the back guys, we've got the leather seating, black leather seating with white stitching. This looks real nice. Real nice. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Obviously we've got the glass seating covers at the back. Oh, I love this little addition. I need to get myself some of these seats with the R badge. Bam. As we step into the back, the other seat, it's got a little wear and tear, but you know, the car is what, 6 years old, and it's in this sort of condition. Come on, you gotta work with me guys. This is real nice, man. This is real nice. Electric windows, both sides, of course. So now the car's warmed up. Let's get a few revs. Now we're gonna get a few revs outside the car so you can really hear the pops and bangs from a standard exam. Yeah.